My name's Ed Bull. I'm from Orlando, and this is my bus, the Wander Cabin. And let me give you the grand tour. Stole this out of a conversion van. The couch came out of an old RV. The dinette came out of a different RV. And I elected to go with shelves with baskets instead of covered doors, just to keep everything more secure and better access. I got a full-size RV fridge here, and stole out of a different RV. Just a little 2-burner stove in my whole kitchen area. Yep. And in here I have a 3-piece bathroom, shower, toilet, sink. Yep. And back here is the bedroom. I used a waterbed drawer unit underneath from an old waterbed. Sure. And I use shelves back here with little baskets and big baskets over here for all the clothes and everything. A portable air conditioner. It's in the high heat conditions, it's not that effective. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but if you're in shade, it's not that big a deal. All right. Yeah.
Ed, I need you to pull forward.
And then in the back is an 8.5-foot garage.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the tour.
Alrighty.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.